Hey, today is a very exciting day. I picked up a aluminum toolbox slash briefcase on Amazon, and I'm very excited because it's going to be the start of my basically paranormal ghost hunting kit, psychic, all of that good stuff, metaphysical toolbox basically, so I can keep everything all in one centralized location, and excited about it. So anyway, here it is, and bubble wrap off of it. So I like the case. I have several cases similar to this, but this is going to be great. I'll fit everything in here, and I will show you guys what's all going to go in here in the next series of videos. Let's see, I can get this open. Okay, very cool. So it's got the foam padding down here. This is just like, I guess you could put notes or something in here, or whatever, a little extra toolkit stuff. So I'll have room for all my ghostly supplies and my chakra stones and all that good stuff. Looks like underneath it looks like it comes with I got a set of keys, and we got a strap for the sides. I like these foam cutout things because you can put stuff in here. You can take the little pieces out and fit things perfectly so they don't jingle around in there, which is great. And then it has a bunch of these little dividers and separators, and it looks like there's 3 of those. Oh no, there's more than that. Okay, there's two little ones, and 2 long ones, and 1 medium-sized one in there. So if I wanted to separate into sections, I can do that as well. So excited about this case, and we will carry on with the next video so I can show you what's all in my paranormal kit.